This tutorial is about how to make a cargo net. My recommendation is to start with one square so you get a good idea before you begin knitting the cargo net. I start with 4 ropes. For the first knot we need only 2 ropes, so I move the other 2 out of the way. First, I take the black rope and make a loop. The blue rope goes over the top of that loop. The bottom end of the blue rope goes under the black rope with the loop. Then, the black rope goes over the blue rope. And the last step is to take the blue rope and put it through the black rope loop. Then, we pull the rope to form the knot. Now we do the same with the next rope. First, I make a loop under the blue rope. Then the blue rope goes under the black loop. Then the black rope goes over the top, and the blue rope goes over the top and through that hole. And now we have formed the second knot. Now I do the same for the third and fourth knots. As you can see, my net is not square, so I need to adjust the black rope and make it shorter. I untighten the knot and adjust it the way I want it. Now, let's transfer this into real life.